Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove effects from from photos in Adobe Illustrator. So for instance, you have effects on your photo and you just want to remove it. Select it and then go to the Appearance tab. If you cannot find it, it's under Windows and it's Appearance here. Select it and select the effect that you've added and you want to remove. Just select and drag it and press the trash can button and it's going to remove all the effects from your photos like so. But that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.